Let's solve more problems on 4 variable K-map. Okay. Y1 is a digital function of 4 variables A, B, C and D, and it is high for 0, 2, 4, 7, 11, 14, 15. So 0, 2, 4, 7, 11, 14, 15. Okay. So now take a K-map of 4 variables. Okay. Next, there should be total of 16 small cells. So numbering we have discussed in the previous session. Okay, so I repeat: B, C, B, A. D, C column wise, B and A row wise. So this row is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. These columns are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. The variable formats are A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B, A with B complement in the last row. Column wise, C complement, D complement, C complement B, C into D, C into D complement. So write cell numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Leave one row, then 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, then 12, 13, here it is 14, then comes 15. These are the cell numbers. So now, what is this? Summation indicates high. Means we have to fill 1 for the given cell numbers. So what is given cell number? 0th cell. Next, 2nd cell. Next, 4th cell. Next, 7th cell. Next, 11. Next, 14. Next, 15. Okay. Okay. Now, non-given cell numbers 0. Here it is 0, 0. So 12, 13, 8, 9, 10. These all are not non-given cell numbers. Okay. So it was almost similar to the previous problem. Okay. Fine. First possibility, vertical cover like this. Okay. Can you write the function? Comparison, 2 rows, A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So hence, A complement as it is. So between the cover is vertical. So no 2 columns for comparison. Only 1 column we have. That is C bar, B bar. Next, here is one possibility. So A bar into B one side, A B another side. A bar and A cancels. We left with B. Okay. So this is also vertical cover. Hence, take the column variables as it is. Next, cover like this. So what is this? Vertical cover. So AB one side, AB bar one side. So B and B bar cancels. We left with A. So since it belongs to same column, what is it called? CB. Okay. Next, here is one more possibility. Okay. So it is a horizontal cover. It is horizontal cover. That means 2 columns. 2 columns means CD, C with D complement. One side D, one side D complement cancels. We left with C. So since it is a horizontal cover, that means only one row. What is the row? AB. So here I will write AB. Okay. By looking into this, we feel it is finished. But by the fold method, which I mentioned in the last session. Okay. So this is how the fold method now. Now 1 is present here and here. 0 with 2. So assume this type of folding where both will become adjacent. How to show it? Like this. Okay. So this is what the analysis. What is the function now? It is a row wise A complement B complement because it is a row wise. So what about the variables of a column? C complement D complement C D complement, hence we will have only one variable D complement. This is called as prime implements. Okay. So let's take next problem. Okay, let's take second problem. Zero, 1, 4, 5. Then 50. 0, 1, 4, 5, 50. Okay, I took this problem to give different scenarios. Cell numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Skip one row. 8, 9, 10 here, 11, 12, 13, 14 here and 15. Okay. See now. Y1 is a function of 4 variables A, B, C, D. It is high for 0, 1, 4, 5 and 15. Okay. 0, 1, 4, 5, 15. So what is the type of function? SOP, summation. That means 1 for the given cell numbers. 0 cell 1, first cell 1, fourth cell 1, fifth cell 1. And next number is 15. Okay. So second, third, 6th, 0, 7, 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 is 1. Okay. So now you see here general tendency we have studied a cover where there are two number of ones inside a cover. Inside this cover, horizontal 2 ones, vertical 2 ones, horizontal fold 2 ones, vertical fold 2 ones. We have seen. But now we have something different. 0 adjacent with 1, 0 also adjacent with 4, 4 adjacent with 5, 5 adjacent with 1. Hence, think, can we put all these 4 number of ones in same cover? Because the number of ones is equal to size of cover is equal to 2 raised to m. Okay. Here the number of ones inside a cover or size of cover should be 2 raised to m. So what is the number of covers here? Number of ones in the cover 4. It is equal to 2 raised to 2. Hence this cover is allowed. Okay. Also, not only by size of the cover, adjacents. 0 adjacent with 4, 4 adjacent with 5, 5 adjacent with 1 adjacent with 0. Hence, the cover is of size 4. So now, in this cover, how to write the function? See, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. What are the rows? A bar, B bar, and A bar, B. What are the columns? C complement, B complement, C complement, B. So now try to derive the solution by comparison. Okay. So now here B bar and B, so cancel out. Here it is B bar and B. So what we left with? A bar into C bar. A complement into C complement. So now how about this one? See, adjacent is 7 with 15, no. 15, 14, no, because it is 0. 15, 13, not allowed. 15 with 11, not allowed. 15 with 5, not allowed because of diagram. So this doesn't have any ones adjacent. So the next cover size is 1. Okay. So size 1 is equal to 2 raised to 0. Hence it is allowed. Okay. So what is the function of that? See, since the cell or the cover is in a single row and a single column, no comparisons. Since no comparison, no cancellation, so we left with another term. See, left of this 1 1. 1 1 for AB means what? Complete term AB. Top of this 1 1. 1 1 for CD means CD. Hence the solution is A bar C bar plus AB C D. Okay? Fine. Let's take next problem. Okay. So problem is okay. Y1 is a digital function ABCD variables summation for 0, 4, 8, 7, 12. Okay. Or you can say 0, 4, 8, 12 and 7. So what is the summation meaning? High means 1, 0, 4, then 8, then 12. 0, 4, 8, 12. What is the next number? 7. Okay. So if you want, we can add this 7 and 15 so that we will get a problem of 1. Okay. So fine now. See, non-given cell numbers 1, 2 will be 0, 3 with 0, 5 0, 6 0, 8 is 1, 7 is already 1 because it is given, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 1 because it is given, 13 0, 14 0, 15 is 1 because it is given cell number. See now, 0 adjacent with 4, 4 adjacent to 12, 12 adjacent to 8. So, there are 4 number of ones. Okay, 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. Okay, and also they are adjacent. Hence, we can apply the power of this much. Okay, see now, what is the nature of this cover? The nature of this cover is, it is purely hollow, means vertical. How many rows are there? 4 rows. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is 0, this one, this is 0, this one. Hence, complete A, no effect. How about complete B? 0, 1, 1, 0. Complete B, effect cancel. So, how many columns? Only one column. So, no need to compare. So, we left 0 0 for CD. Hence the solution is C complement into D complement plus. See now, is it good to take separate? No, because they are adjacent, and if you take together, there will be two number of ones adjacent. So what is the function of this? You have already wrote in the previous problem. So this is B with CD, B with C and D. Okay? Fine. Next. Okay, let's take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So the numbers are more. I repeat the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So that is given for SOP, that means summation, sum of products. So what are the given terms? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay, non-given cell numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So now you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 number of ones. What is the power of 2? 2 raised to 3. That means 8. Next, 1 adjacent to 3. 1 adjacent to 5. 3 adjacent to 7. 5 adjacent to 13. 7 adjacent to 15. 13 adjacent to 9. 15 adjacent to 11. By fold method, 1, 3 adjacent to 9, 11. 1, 3 adjacent to 9, 11. Hence we can take a big cover of the size 8. So what are the rows? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now, how many columns are there? Sorry, how many rows? First row, second row, third row and fourth row. 4 rows are there. So you can expect A complement A cancels, A complement A cancels, hence complete A cancels. B complement B, B with B complement. So pair of complement and normal variable cancels. Now between two columns the cover is column number 2, column number 3. What is the function of column number 2? C complement D. Third column CD. Okay, now neglect the variable which has changed its form. So what is the function or the solution of D? Single variable D. Okay, fine. Let's take one more problem. Okay, see, I will give 1, 3. I will change the problem. 1, 3, 4, 9, 11. Okay, so the problem is 1, 3, 4, 9 and 11. Okay, here you see 1. Next 3, 4, 5 is not there, 7 is not given. Okay, next 9 is given, 11 is given, 13 is not given, 15 is not given. Okay, see now, see the function 1 here, 3 here, then comes 9 and 11. Fold method like this. Fold method, horizontal fold. How to show that? See here, like this and this. This is how to fold. See the differences. Here difference is C complement between this. Between this is also C complement, the difference. Okay, this and this. A complement is the difference, means A bar here, A here. Here also A bar and A. That means these two are adjacent with these two by fold method. How to write a function that time? See now, cover is between column 2, column 3, row 1, row 4. Column 2, column 3, row 1, row 4. The cover is. So what is the functions of column 2? 0, 1. How to write 0, 1? C complement D. Next, column 3 function C, D. Row 1 function A bar, B bar. Row 4 function A, B bar. So cancel out a variable who has changed the format. So here it is. Hence what we will get? B complement D. So the solution is, one solution is B complement D. Okay, now you think. So can we put 1 and 4 in the same cover? Not allowed because they are diagonal. So we have separate cover of size 1. What is function of this? A bar, B, C bar, D bar. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. This is what? Function for cover with single 1. Okay, this one. This is cover for, function for the cover with length of 4 number of ones. Okay. So next. See here. Okay. So let me give you another notation, another type of notation used to give the problem. So this is one more notation. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, or small letter m, 0, m2, m4, m6, m8, m10, m12 and m14. So now prepare it together. This side AB, this side CD, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Fine. Write the cell numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay? So now write ones in the given cell number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Non-given cell numbers 1, 3, fill with the 0, 5, 7, 0, then comes 9, 11, 0, 13, 15, 0. Okay. So now you see this method, one here, one here, one here, one here. So fourth column is also 1. So assume this type of fold here like this. These 4 ones are adjacent with these 4 ones. How to show that out? Like this. Okay. So total 8 number of ones, and they are adjacent by fold method. So now how many rows are there? 4 rows. So all row variable cancels. How many columns are there? 2. First column and last column. What is that? C complement and D complement. This is what? C with D complement. Hence, what is one more simplification? Both variables, this variable has changed. Hence, the solution is D complement. Okay? So fine. Next, let's take one more problem. Four, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So now I will take diagonal 0, 2. Okay. So 5, 7, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10. 13, 15. So this is one problem which I have prepared. See now, 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15. So I took diagonal elements. Okay. So non-given cell numbers are 1, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 14, 9 and 11. So we cannot put cover horizontal, diagonally. So what is the option we have? First option, see this. Why I am opting this? Because they are adjacent and they are 4 in numbers. So what is the function now? So where is this cover present? This cover is present between second row, third row, second column, third column. So now here identify the change of variable. This is 0, this is 1. Hence first variable cancel. What is second variable? B. Is it 0? If so, write B complement. If not, write B. Now it is 1. Hence I will write B. Okay. Now compare second column, third column. What is second column? C complement B. Third column C B. Compare the both C complement and C. Cancel the effect. So we will have D only. So this is okay. Now see here, this is one more important. Now where you have left with ones, we have left with ones in 0, 2, 8, then 12. So assume the method like this. Like the 4 top corners. Okay, here this corner adjacent with this, 0 is adjacent to 8. In the earlier problems we have solved. 2 adjacent with 10, 2 adjacent with 0. 10 adjacent with 2, 10 adjacent with 8. Hence, by, see here, these 2 corners you take, this one and merge with this corner. Okay, imagination. So just by the fold method, how to show such a fold? See, 1/2, 1/4, not a half, 1/4. So 1/4, 1/4 here and 1/4. So So just imagine all four columns are connected with each other. So where are the rows and columns? First row, last row. A bar, B bar, A, B bar. What we left with? A bar and A cancels. We left with B bar. Okay. Next. That is with respect to row. Between columns, C bar, B bar. Compare with C, D bar. C bar, D bar. Compare with C into D bar. The variable changed is what? C. Hence, we left with B complement. B into D plus B complement into D complement. Okay? Fine. Let's take one more problem. Okay, so now I will do the cell numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me solve only this much first. Next, I will extend the problem 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, see now 0 adjacent with 1, 1 adjacent with 3, 3 adjacent with 2, 2 and 0 are adjacent by fold together. Hence what we can do? We will put this cover. Okay. All four columns are participating. Hence column variables cancels. What we left with? Only one row. What is that? A bar, B bar. Okay. So fine. If we extend the problem to 4,